Hey guys, I'm Kritika from AMZBlast, and from today we are starting Amazon Seller Central series. In this series, we are going to discuss everything about Seller Central, where we will talk about how you can create your listing without brand name, product ID, automatic pricing tool, how you can combine variations, HSN code and PTC code, and some about Amazon ads. So guys, let's start our first video. Today I will talk about important Amazon abbreviations that every seller must know of. So guys, I will talk about ASIN, SKU, FNSKU, difference between SKU and FNSKU, and GTIN that have product ID like UPC code, EAN number, and ISBN number. So guys, let's start the video. First, I will talk about full form of important Amazon abbreviations. ASIN stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number. FNSKU is Fulfilment Network Stock Keeping Unit. SKU is Stock Keeping Unit. GTIN is the Global Trade Item Number that have different product IDs like ISBN, International Standard Book Number, Universal Product Code is UPC, European Article Number is EN. So first I will talk about ASIN number. Every product on Amazon has its own ASIN number, which is 10-digit alphanumeric character. You can find ASIN on technical details section or in the product URL. Here you can see the ASIN is B01LWYDEQ7 and the same ASIN is here in the product URL. Also, ASIN can be used in Seller Central if you want to jump into others' listing. So guys, this is about ASIN. Let's move to FNSKU. So this is a barcode used by Amazon FBA sellers to track products in warehouse. That's it. So when you are opting for warehouse facility, Amazon will provide you these labels and you have to affix to the packaging of all the products you send to the Amazon. So this is the example of FNSKU. Next is Stock Keeping Unit, which is SKU. So it is completely created by sellers like me or like you to identify products in backend. It's completely your choice how you want it to be. Example, I have a product called Planter Stand. The color is white and I have made the product live on 2022. So I will provide the SKU PS White 22. So it will be easy for me to identify the product if I have different kind of planter stand. Next example is product mosquito net. The size is medium, so I will give the name MOS-M. The third example is if I have a product copper bottle and I will give the name copper B101. So you can have alphanumeric character, you can use the space, you can use the hyphen, it's totally your choice. So guys, let's move to GTIN. GTIN is short for Global Trade Item Number. It is a unique product identifier printed underneath an item's barcode. So guys, as you can see, I have 4 product IDs with me. The most important are UPC and GTN exemptions because it's used for private label products or generic products. ISBN is used for books, EAN is used for branded product, and UPC is the universal product code. You can find it on most retail products. So it's a 12-digit product ID printed beneath a barcode. For listing your product on Amazon, you need some product ID. I would recommend you to use UPC. If you don't have the product code, then you can use GTN exemption for your generic or private label brands. So guys, let me show you in Seller Central where you can find these product IDs. If you are a new seller, then you can see this is Amazon Seller Central dashboard for product listing. Here, product ID, you have to put the product ID here and select. If you want UPC, then you need to select UPC code. I hope you guys understand about this. This is a vital info tab. If you move to offers tab, you can see seller SKU. Here, you can put the SKU of your product, like I have taken the example of planter stand. Now I will talk about some important frequently asked question. Is trademark similar to product ID? The answer is no. Product ID is used to list your products on Amazon or in Flipkart platform. So product ID are UPC code, GTN exemption, ISBN, EAN number, whereas trademark is the process of brand registry. Do I need GTIN for every product? The answer is No, you have to take the GTIN exemption for one particular category, and you can list any product you want with the same GTIN. From where do I get UPC code? If you search on Google, you will find different websites, and you can go to AMZBlast.com and we will also provide UPC code. What are the different ways to list product using GTIN? So guys, if you want to list product using GTIN, you have two ways. First, you can use generic, or you can use brand name of the product. If you are using brand name, then you have to provide images of product packaging to the Amazon, and they will take 24 to 48 hours to reply. If you are using generic product, then I guess they need 1 or 2 hours and you can list your product there. Hopefully this video has explained the difference between the codes. If you need to contact us, comment it down or contact us through the website. Thank you.